This video is demonstration of using the calculator templates for GS2WP Calculator plugin. We have created certain calculator templates. These templates are saved in different folders named after the broad subject names like finance, measurements, gardening, etc. It is very easy to use these calculator templates. You can also change to suit your needs. Just go to add-on GS2WP Calculator and then keeping cursor on templates will show the broad categories under which a template is saved. Clicking a category will open a sidebar listing the template available for use. Click the template, a dialog box for naming your calculator will pop up. Just publishing this calculator will create a calculator in WordPress. If you want to change anything, change it and republish. The change will take effect instantaneously.